Jordan 1 brought to you by Finish Lines. I want to know if you guys have a pair of these and what you guys think of them, and if actually they're worth the money you invested for these Jordan 1 mid. Got them, like them, and I'm going to actually do a full review on them as we speak. Let's go. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day out there, enjoying yourselves. Today I'm going to be doing a review of a shoe in itself, and the shoe that I'm going to be doing a review of is the Jordan 1 Mid Green and Gray. If you're looking for a little preview of it, this is the shoe I'm talking about in question, the Finish Line product. Great looking shoe so far. Good shoe you could wear for fashion. You could actually wear these to play basketball, as you can see the thread in the bottom below. But we'll get into that a little bit more. Those are strictly, Jordan 1s are strictly fashionable shoes nowadays. They're not really performance shoes like they were back in the 90s when Jordan was playing in them, as you guys already know. But I'm going to do my best to showcase it to you guys and show you guys what it has to offer. And also the on-foot review will be there as well. If you stay tuned for the whole video, you'll be able to view that as well. I'll possibly lace those in front of you guys as well. Just make it cool so we can do the on-foot part of the review as well. All right, guys, let's get into the video further. All right, guys, before we start the video, I want to apologize to you guys. I've been a little bit under the weather, been down with the flu for the past few days. And just for that, I think you guys should like this video to begin with, and also subscribe to the channel as well. So here's the box of the shoe in itself. The box is pretty cool. It has the Air Jordan logo on it. Obviously, I normally get half size up. So 10.5 is this one. My size is 10. So usually you get a half size up on the Jordans because you don't want it to be too tight and squishing your toes and stuff of that nature. So that's how it goes. So let's get into the box itself. There's nothing too special about the box. It's a Finish Line product. I got these shoes as a birthday present. As you can see, I have a Finish Line receipt right there. A gift receipt, of course. And this is the shoe in itself. I'm going to leave the link of the shoe in the description below as well, if you guys are interested in getting you guys a pair of them. And that's how cool they look, pretty much. And I'm going to take them. It's practically brand spanking new. I'm just now taking them out the box because I haven't had time to do that with dealing with the flu and stuff. So this is pretty much the shoe in a nutshell. The toe box is pretty wide, wider than typical normal Jordans, because those are mids, those are not high. So it's going to be a little wider here, more room for creasing up here. And the synthetic leather is green. And obviously my favorite team is the New York Jets. I don't know why they keep disappointing me from time to time, but I'm sticking with my Jets. But that's pretty much the shoe in a nutshell. It has this elongated tongue with the QR code in there as well. The QR code is very important. It actually authenticate your shoe. Sorry, got a little tongue tied there. It authenticate your shoe and let you know that the shoe is very authentic. And inside, obviously, it's the paper, foam, whatever they put inside the insole and inside the shoe in itself. And obviously, as you can see, it's a Jordan insole. That's right there. And that's pretty much the shoe in a nutshell. And the back of it is also gray synthetic leather. It feels good to your hand. Very comfortable, very cool looking kind of shoe. You can't really go wrong with it in any way, shape, or form. And these, obviously, they're not exclusive. They're not super, super rare Jordans. You can get those at any time because obviously you can get them from Finish Line. They come with the white laces, so if you needed extra pair of laces, you're probably gonna have to buy them. If you need green laces, if you need any other pair of laces, you probably will have to purchase them yourself. But the white laces are what it comes with. If you wanted to make a different move, like different fashion move with them, that's pretty much what you're gonna get. You're pretty much gonna have to purchase the other laces yourself, to make a long story short. And just to help you guys as well, I'm gonna actually have some different color laces that matches this, the gray ones and the green ones that matches this shoe. So if you guys want to get those, they'll be in the description below as well. And that's the interior piece of the shoe. As you could see here, the synthetic leather is also on the swoosh sign on both sides. So very cool green synthetic leather, and obviously the grays in the back of the shoe on the back, very, very back. And the bottom of the sole in itself, those have not been worn. As you can see, the bottom of the sole is gray as well, grayish, and it's a little bit of yellowy, beigey midsole right there. So that's what makes the shoe kind of look unique. In a lot of ways, I would have preferred the midsole to be white, but we'll rock with that. It's not really that big of a deal. I understand why they did it, because they didn't want it to be too dirty in any way, shape, or form. So I get it. It's pretty cool in that facet. So let me actually go ahead and lace that up real quick so we can do the on-foot review part of it. And I'm just going to do the traditional OG lace, you know, sneaker lacing. Pretty much what I'm gonna be doing with those. All right. All right, guys. This is the on-foot review part of the shoe review in itself, Jordan 1 mids. And the reason they call them mid is because, as you can see, they just reach the top of your ankles. Whereas the highs, they get a little bit higher, closer to where my pant leg is. They get all the way up there. So these are a little bit lower in that facet. I could have laced this up all the way to the top, but I wanted to show my Air Jordan logo tongue right there. The toe box is pretty cool. I can wiggle my feet around it. There's some give right there. That's why I always go half size up on these Jordan 1s, because you really never know. If you go too tight, it won't work. This is how the side look. This is the side of the shoe. This the other shoe. This is the interior side. As you could see, this is the exterior side. This is what everybody gets to see when you're rocking the shoe. So you don't really see the midsole, the beige midsole too much, which is what I was hoping for. And the gray is actually popping in the back. So it looks awesome when you're rocking some green and gray. And that's the inside. Let's see if I can show you the back there. And this is the back overall of the shoe. This is the back side of it. And as you could hear, it's squeaky because it's brand new. That's the bottom. Very, very cool shoe. Definitely would recommend it for anyone that's trying to, play ball, trying to enjoy their time playing ball, or wants to get a little cool little summer fashionable shoe that you want to rock, or even a winter shoe that you want to rock if you're not trying to wear all your expensive stuff and bring them out there. But that's definitely a cool looking shoe for the price. You don't really have to splurge a lot of money into those. As you guys know, Jordan 1s usually are around 180 to 200 to 220 depending on the type that you're trying to get, and especially if it's rare and authentic, then you're going to be paying top dollar for that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Hey guys, I want to thank you guys for rocking with me. Stanley's Reviews. I've reached 4,500 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but it's definitely a milestone. So I appreciate each and every one of you for sticking by me and actually helping me grow within this YouTube space. But my goal this year is to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys can help me by subscribing, sharing with your friends, and also liking and commenting on the videos, that would be greatly appreciated. And I have a video coming up right here that's also part of my library, so you guys can check that out as well. I want to thank you guys once again for watching this video, and I have more content coming your way. Enjoy, guys. Peace. I'll see you guys on the next video. Once again, thank you.